Playground 3. Let's see what's up.
Hey, Gabby, can you grab me a monster, please? 5. 96. Axel, you ready?
I'm into it now.
Time to get down and throw it around. Chop, chop.
Oh, shit. Is that his girl? I want to go dirt biking. Yeah, he just manhandled that bike. That was kind of cool. Is this song copyright? All right. They got a fucking helicopter. Yo, these monster. Oh shit! Oh my god! How the fuck do you do that? Oh my god! Yeah, this is cool. All right, you got it. You got one. You got one with this one. You got one with this one. You lucky. Because if it was ass, I would have told you. This shit kind of cool. Oh, the little switch side shit. Do a backflip. Oh, that's fire. He's doing, oh my god. There's a game called, what's that biking game from back in the day? It wasn't MX versus ATV. It was, fuck. It was a crazy game. It had like fire on the cover. Not Trials. Not Trials. It was a motorcycle game from back in the day. Like PS2 era. Fire on the cover. It was called like Superfly or something. He just rode on a billboard. He's doing a manual. A wheelie. Oh my god! You can wheelie for that. Not Twisted Metal. It looked like Twisted Metal though. I think it was like super fun. How the fuck? Nah, this nigga's nice. This nigga's nice. He's nice. He's nice. He's nice. He's tough. Yeah. What's crazy is this shit harder than 9 to 5. I'm just playing. It's a joke. Yeah, that shit eats. And he's really good at his job. He's really good at what he does. Look at that. Oh, that's the same shit. Okay, it's a different angle. Oh my god. I've never seen that before. Is that normal? Superfly. I think the game is called Superfly. This music is definitely copyrighted, so I don't know if it's making a YouTube, but we could try. Motorcycle Mania? No, he just did a backflip onto a fucking wheelie. Manual. A wheelie to a backflip. No fucking way. Oh nah, he's nice. He's nice. He's nice. That was hard. Oh nah. How do you have that much control? Like, bro, that doesn't even look safe. That shit pops up like that, bro. He cloned himself. He's so nice, he cloned himself. Nah, links don't come up in the chat. Now it's your turn. Yeah, the fuck right. It's literally MX Superfly. Is that what it's called? Let me look it up. I'm gonna look it up. Cause he basically playing that in real life, bro. Nah, it wasn't even that one though. I think it was. There's another one though. There was Freakstyle. What was Freakstyle? This video is hard. How the fuck are you doing? It's freak style. It was called freak style. It was freak style. He jumped over the helicopter? See, y'all making me look up shit. I see the helicopter shadow. Look at that. Just pure control, bro. How long you gotta ride to like know how to ride like that? I mean, not everybody that rides for that long can ride like that, but. Holy shit. He's looking at the camera, bro. Oh, he didn't jump over the helicopter. He just jumped next to it because that's what was recording. Look how he just goes from wheelie to endo to nose manual to. Look at that. How can you contort your body like that? Wow. Look at that. Look. What the fuck? Bro, look at how perfectly he's just landing these jumps. How do you know like how to, like how do you predict, like how do you guesstimate? That he's literally flying. I want to know what that feels like, bro. Being in the air like that on two wheels. I want to know what that feels like. That was fire. All right, you got one. You got one with that one. I ain't gonna lie, you got one. All right, motherfucker. Yo, chat. Oh shit. Look at that. That's so sick. What the fuck? Bro. Even just a video of this like kind of angle would be sick. I ain't gonna lie, at the very beginning he let go of the whole, oh my god. He let go of the whole bike. Damn, I respect the hell out of people who like are like professionals in their field like this, bro. This is crazy. But chat, it's about that goddamn time. I love y'all. I hope you enjoyed stream. I enjoyed having y'all here, you know what I'm saying? Streaming is harder than 9 to 5. I'm just playing. I'm sorry. I'm joking. I love y'all. I'm holla at y'all in the next one. New YouTube videos on the way. New vlogs on the way. New all of that on the way. I'm gonna holla at y'all in the next one. I think I'm gonna be live tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then the next day. I'm gonna try to pump up the streams again. I'm about to make this shit instantly open. So holla at your boy. Oh my days. I love y'all.